This is a quick tutorial regarding how to use the edit tracking in Google Docs in a way that doesn't bog down the browser. So I've got an example document that I've set up here with the same paragraph repeated twice with some of the errors that I'm going to correct. First thing I'm going to do is turn on suggestions and show you what a lot of people do that leads to problems. Going in and making some minor edits such as typo corrections and adjustments to data that needs to be updated can result in numerous individual tracked changes. In a lengthy document, this can lead to hundreds or thousands of individual changes that the system is having to keep track of in real time, and it's trying to scroll all this stuff around and make it look pretty for you as you're moving through the document. A more efficient way of tracking your changes, if you're going to make a whole bunch of edits in an individual paragraph, is to simply select the entire paragraph, cut it, and paste it back in right after the part that you cut out. So this strikes out the entire paragraph and it inserts the same paragraph right next to it, and in here you can freely make changes. Notice that all of the same changes are captured here, and you can clearly see that there have been changes made in this paragraph. This is much easier to read. You can see that all the punctuation and spacing is correct. It's not so easy to read whenever you come back up to this example 1 paragraph where you have strike through and additions next to each other interspersed throughout the paragraph. In the second example, everything is easy to read straight through, and you can tell if you've got all of the characters in the correct order without having to play a guessing game with strike through and new additions. It also stores only one of these pop-ups over to the side, making it easier to move through the document without having hundreds or thousands of individual edits tracked. And that's really one of the main things that you can do to improve the performance of using change tracking, is to try and consolidate lots of trivial changes into a single edit.